longer break. Let's see. I think we still not seeing. Oh, here we go. The stream is started. You can see the stream. So I would like to figure out what to do with the smooth step situation. So this one is so is hard coded, and I just like figure out the value. So with this thing, if I don't do this thing, we can see in the maybe there is some screenshots. Yeah. So we can see there is a dark outline around the objects, and the reason is when we are calculating ambient occlusion, for example, at this point, we can see like we are looking in the dome around, right, which is 25 centimeters radius, and we can see this part is it's like if we looking at the dome, we see the point in the dome, which is like in the distance, occluded by this pole, and we saying, oh, okay, it's occluded, so it's we have to make it darker. But pole is far away, so what we need to do, we need to calculate the distance between expected value and the depth of expected value and depth of the the pole, right? And if it's too large, mark it not occluded. And currently I'm doing it with screen space and some hard-coded value here, which is 0.0025, and I would like to get this threshold probably in the world space. World space offset. Digicode normal unit. Oh, wait a second. This thing should be outside of the loop. Back free norm. So we have screen offset and we should have screen this one. Okay, clip, screen offset clip. I don't know how to call the variable. Screen occlusion threshold. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to screen
occlusion threshold
offset it minus clip. Get the length and multiply by 2. Okay, and then this is const and I put it here. Screen screen offset it vec 4 and clip is vec 3, so x y z comes variable screen must be const expression. What? Screen occlusion threshold must be a const expression. That's weird. Doesn't look like it does anything. Actually it does. There is no black outline, right? So there is like a 1 pixel outline and there is no outline anymore. So I think it does. There is a still dark outline here. I'm very curious what value is think it's quite big. The difference. It doesn't do anything. Now what? What did I do? Combine. Minimum, maximum. Oh, it might be very small actually. This is why it's not doing anything. Ah. One. Point one. Point five. Um. What smooth step is doing? GLSL. H0, H1. 0 to 1. So what I want is so we have so it should go to 1. Something like this. And this is the value of the screen occlusion threshold. Let me do first simple one. dz greater and equal 0 and dz less or equal that one. We are going to get 1, otherwise we are going to get 0. Okay, and now I guess I should put here that one, divide by point 0.01. I guess this function. I think it's doing what it's supposed to do. There is a still dark outline on the distant light poles, street lights. Not sure why it's happening. So that one is this part, right? And that part is this part. Minus. And then 1 minus. Oh, it's getting inverted. So it will do this part. Oh, okay. So this is correct formula. Okay, finally it's doing what it's supposed to do. There is a still dark outline in the distance. And there is like a immerse flickering. So if I do 10%, no, there is no flickering. Okay. $25. Okay, let me crank the number of kernel size. So let's take the screenshot. What is this? Oh, this is coin. Why this coin is here? Yeah, I do not know why this black outline, where it's coming from. But I think this is looking more or less correct. So let's get back to, well, let's put 16. Kernel size is samples number. And I think it's used only once. Oh, it's used as well here to divide. Okay. Let's pass time. So let's do uniform vec for time. RNG state plus time dot x. Render dot hpp approach view combine vec for u time u time equals gel m vec for SDL get ticks at what value float cannot add one anymore. Copy. Hmm? Didn't do anything. What the heck? View time. Huh. Combine. Uniform time. Time 4. I think this was the culprit. Is it doing thing? I think it's doing. I do not know if it's doing randomization or not. Super hard to tell. Oh, you know what I'll do? I'll do this. I don't think it's doing. Huh. So if I put 0 here, okay, so it does do thing. Hawk. Hi Hawk. How you doing? I barely can use Unity. The game looks cool. Hi Master. Oh Hawk. So you switch from YouTube to Twitch to be sure I can see the chat. Yeah, use Twitch chat so I can get the notifications. Setting up notification on YouTube takes costs money. It's not free. In bed. Oh yeah, I guess you're from Europe, right? So this is why. You know, I guess if I lower this thing to 0, not to 0, like 100 times, 10 times, I would get the noise on the background. Oh yeah, and this noise is... Oh, it's moving with in time. That's interesting. So this noise now moving this direction and flickering as well. Ah. Romania. If I multiply, it's so weird. Let's multiply by 1,000, for example. Okay, at least it's not... I guess it's flickering. But at least it's not moving. Yeah, let's get rid of flickering. So 0. Let's see again. Is programming data? It's not, unfortunately. You still have to program. AI is so stupid, cannot do anything. Soon, I guess. Yeah, people bragging how they do programming. I do not know. Maybe I'm bad prompt engineering. AI making me pissed all the time with its stupidity. I constantly beefing with AI, trying to make it to do what it's supposed to do. So I think that parameters are good. I'm kind of curious why I need to... Just let me remove this. Time X. You made the Mario clone prototype. That's cool. Yeah. AI is couple of years ago it took like a 1 hour just to make the Tetris with AI, right? And now you just make the prompt and it's takes 5 minutes to make Tetris with AI. So it's moving forward, but it's not here yet. A lot of code snippets were done with AI. It's like, for example, this code snippet was generated by AI. It's not complicated stuff, but like it's you have to do like a math here, linear algebra, cross products, and all this stuff, which is kind of prone to making mistakes. I hope sooner, hopefully not in 10 years.
10 years, I say we are going to have local ones that manage folders and code with big contexts.
Hopefully in a year, maybe in 2. But currently it's not ready yet. Okay. Okay, so calculate threshold based on the world offset. But I'm not using Unity. So I made plenty of games, 5 at least, in Unreal Engine, and in December last year, in the beginning of December, I released my last game, and I start thinking to make new game, and I found I have a sort of hard time to start Unreal Engine, just because there is so many friction points in Unreal Engine. It's small things like in editor frame rate is always hovering around 40 FPS, so just moving in the world and setting things up kind of sluggish, and controllers, like I like Blender, how Blender is set up, and in Unreal Engine you have to fly in the world with WSD, all these small things kind of. And there is another thing, you have to wait quite a lot, shader compilers, all these small things were making it like I start feeling resistance. And I was thinking, everybody's saying making the game from scratch is hard, and I was just like, want to verify it by myself or disprove it by myself. And make like my cycle of making games, it's around 1 year. So I was next game what I'm trying to do is 2 years. It's gonna take probably 2 years if I start doing it. I did not start making it yet, and I'm thinking maybe I will have a slow start by implementing all what is we already have in the engines, but closer to the end I would be able to move way faster rather than working with the engine. So this is kind of my motivation. Okay. And pass time for better randomization.
Calculate the threshold based on the world offset. Has time for better animation.
Let's look at my design document and see what has to be implemented. Oh yeah, this one is implemented. What's going on? What game I released last year in December? It's called Ordi, the Rise of Clara. I misspelled it. Anyways, Google find it. I'll put it in the chat. Ambient occlusions, yeah, this one is also implemented. Oh my god. It's free, so no need to spend money. I guess sound effects, right? Naming collisions, low priority, blur. I don't know. I think it looks pretty good without blurring, so I don't think blur is high priority to implement. I'm still not happy with like shadings. It feels a bit flat. Ambient occlusion adds quite a bit, but still. So let's see how it looks without ambient occlusion, right? Let me disable it. What would you recommend for me to get better logic and problem solving in Cone? I do not know what level you are. But if you want to make, and also what you want to make, if you want to make games, I just go from simple games and just reimplement games. And you mentioned you did like a simple platformer, and just go from it. Like look at the simple games, Breakout, Breakout game, right? Like a classic games, breakout game, Tetris, of course, Pong. I mean, if you did platformer, Pong is super easy, and I don't know, Alien Invasion games. Just make a bunch of games, classic old games, and practice like this. Okay, so my approach is for learning is use AI, then I'm stuck. So to do as much as possible without using AI, and if I stuck and it just like something is not working, I give the problem to AI, and AI is actually very good at this area while you're learning, because then you stuck. It's a quite usually it's a quite common culprit, and people who's just learning something new always hitting that problem. So AI is giving you quite often very good answers how to get around this problem. So this is my my way to learn stuff using AI. So try to do as much as possible without using AI, and use it only then you're stuck. So let's look at my design document back again. So blur, I don't think we need to implement, and I think sound effects would be next step to implement. And yeah, I don't know. I'm just wondering if I put bunch of buildings on the sides, would it kind of make it look better? Let's try it out, right? Blender. What blender it's run? Oh, 550. Okay. So let's just put some person. Human. Okay, so multiple scripts is loses context. If you want to use vibe coding, I would you can try Gemini. So this is Gemini. There is another one. Gemini is free. There is another one is so I kind of like to use Gemini CLI. There is another one. It's called anti-gravity. It's also free. So you can use that one. It's anti-gravity by Google. It has huge context. Gemini has 1 million tokens context. I did not use it too much, but I think by capabilities it's gonna be same as a Gemini CLI. Anti-gravity. Yeah, I tried to use it a little bit to do some tweaks with my Omnidesk project. Anti-gravity test. Open folder. Let's do endless drive. Yeah, it's with API. You are not running it locally. It's on cloud. Gemini Pro. So it starts with Gemini Pro, Gemini Free Pro, and then because it's free, then you're using it too much. It's switching to free Flash. But I'm not using AI very too much, so I do hit limits, but it kind of doesn't bother me too much. I mean, because I'm not using it a lot. Okay, let me add some building. So I'll just pretend there is a building. Guess we probably need it a bit bigger. Scale on X. I know. Just some experimental. So let's save it into the assets. Let's call it building. Main street. Auto node equals scene add node mesh assets building dot gltf building 6 meters. What's going on? 3G. Okay. So let's see. Ah. They have to be aligned with the road. Mm. So let's see how I rotating car and rotate it in the same way. Get road angle. I think I put Y here. Yeah, there is a problem. Huh. The camera kind of so maybe I'll just do a greater offset. So let's do 12. Maybe it's gonna help. What's going on? Ah, okay. So maybe like this. Let's put it on our side. Is this Emacs? Hey Taxifan. Yeah, it is Emacs. I always use Emacs. Yeah, I think it's better with the buildings on the side, right? Yeah, this is kind of the problem what I'm trying to solve. There is a possibility they may clip on the camera. Anyways, can I download anywhere like building 3D model? Oh, look at this. Castle City, Sci-Fi City. I want this building. How about this building? I want this building for free. Oh, here we go. Perfect. Get this model. Sign up for free. Can I download without signing up? Can I download it? Free. Oh man, I have to register. Oh, this one is good. Give me this one. Oh, it's a Kenny one. Kenny is free, right? Always. Download. GLB. Alright. So file import GLB downloads. Large buildings. They are not large. I know. Let's call it building 2. Does not allow me to call it building. Apply scale. So what's going on? Oh, because it's building 2. Building 2, building 2. What's going on here? Um, apply rotation maybe as well. Rotation and scale. Oh, what is this thing? Susan. Susan, what are you doing here? Okay, I'm going to take the 5 minutes break. Hello, I'm taking break. Be back soon. Okie dokie, I'm back. So let's put another 45 minutes timer. And let's figure out what's going on here. So everything looks fine. Rotation, scale. What's going on? Why everything is shifted? Ah. Can it be... if I rotate it 120 degrees... Oh, wait a second. 3D cursor... I do not understand. So, maybe I should rotate it 90 degrees. Maybe like this? Okay, so put minus here, plus here. Here we go. So I think I need to set up clipping, right? So clip plane, render. Where I am setting up the clips? Near, far. This is orthogonal. What? Wait a second, why I'm setting up orthogonal here?
Reverse engineered and re-implemented the entire protocol and backend stuff a photon for fun, but I'm not sure if I should release it as open source. Haven't copied any code, and their code is in C, mine is in C++, but well, it's what all of their products are centered around, and they are making big money from offering their cloud hosting as a service, so lol.
I do not know what is proton. Photon. What is photon? Is it photon engine? A multiplayer library? A photon engine? I think I heard about it actually. I think even Asmund Gold reviewed that thing. Why it's setting projection as a orthogonal, which is so confusing. Set view transform. Doesn't make any sense. It's gonna break probably everything, but let's see. Oh, it did break everything. So maybe, is it because I put 0.1? One change at a time. It didn't do anything.
Ike, they might come after me if I open source a project that does for free what they charge a lot of money for. But on the other hand, it's huge for game preservation.
Yeah, don't get in the legal troubles. Why projection matrix is ortho? UI projection. Oh, here we go. I think this is the oh, finally, this is the perspective projection. Okay. So this one. So there is a 2 ortho. Okay. Perspective. So it's 100 meters. Let's put 1 kilometer. Anti-gravity works well. Okay, you're welcome. Enjoy. Ah, okay. So 1 kilometer did do the trick. So there is a buildings popping in the distance. So what we can do? So let's do 300. Yeah, I don't think it's noticeable. Right now buildings are... Oh, frames are down 134. So I think it was hovering around 200 and now it's... frame rate is quite low. So let me rebuild and release and see if it's gonna be okay, if we have headroom. So probably I'll switch fully in release. Alright, why not? Let's just rebuild and release and just run always in release. Hey, it's still slow. 270 FPS. I was thinking at least 400. Huh. I'm wondering if I should implement fog. I think I should implement. I need to implement fog, right? Yeah. Let's see. Vec free. How I would implement fog? Oh yeah, it is on GitHub. I did not put license because I'm using royalty-free assets and they are not compatible with the license. So I do not know what to do with it, but it is in the public repository. Okay, so I guess I should take the clip and get this one times 1 minus clip dot z. That's it. Log z. So log z, what log z would do? I don't know. Power. 20. Oh look, it's instantly looks better. It's probably power 10. Oh wait, I should increase power, right? Power 40. Power 100. Yeah, I'm tweaking the powers to make sure it's not too dark. So 150 maybe. Yeah, so now I can so I put somewhere 300. Let me put it back to 200 because it's just a waste of resources. Yeah. CS files, it's shader files. Scala. Yeah, BGFX for some reason use this extension. SC. Yeah, that looks way better. Yeah, it's not like a flat shading anymore. It's buildings. And probably I don't need fog. I can add fog, but whatever. I'm wondering if I can put buildings closer to the road a bit. Or it's fine. Maybe it's fine. Oh, you want to... I see. Yeah. Add... what is it? God rays? God rays? There is no translucency here implemented yet. So there is a zero translucency. Would you say you're writing an engine specifically for the game, or would you say the game got no engine? I say there is a no engine game. There is a no engine. Everything is handcrafted. Not no what is it? General purpose stuff. Everything is tailored to the purpose of the game. They are repetitive, but they are controlled by that formula. What is it? Something dash y. Where is the formula? Offset. Get rod offset. Yeah. So this formula. It's just sum of two harmonics, and I can add more if I want. So this is the high frequency, this is the low frequency, and I can add more to kind of add more randomness to it. So maybe I can put like 0, 1 here. And I probably should add 0, 1 here, right? So make it to shifting. What is sinf? It's a floating sign. Sign for floats. Maybe I can get better coin 3D model. Free. Whatever. Give me a coin. maybe. Let's see. Coin. Let's say this one. Coin. File import. What it was, OBG? OBG, yeah. So bloop. OBG import. Where is it? Oh! It's huge. Okay, so it's kind of same size. Okay. Does it have any materials? Oh, it does. Oh, I don't have. No, this is my coin. This doesn't have any materials. I guess I can apply my coin material. So let's probably hide this. Okay. I don't know if these details are going to be shown. Maybe they will. I do not know. Let's save and where is the coin? So let's put the name of the no, not the clip. Name of the what the Control C. Name of the coin. Oh wait. I have to apply rotation and scale. Here we go. Come on, compile. I don't think anything changed. So I'm download. This is the coin. It is not very high poly. So I guess what I can do, can select this. It's a Pop OS. I don't think we can see coins details. So maybe on the screenshot yeah. Anyways, I'm going to revert coin changes. Let me close Blender. Bye bye. And I need to revert viscon. Arguably, this coin has more definitions than our one. I'm wondering if I maybe I should make material a bit darker. I do not know why Blender 5 is not showing on my search bar. So maybe make it a bit darker. Emission is 0. Okay. Maybe a bit brighter. Like this maybe. I think it's too yellow and a bit brighter. Oh, wait a second. What's going on? Save. Okay. And maybe like this. So do we want fog or not? Let's see. With the fog, I would like there is no light cones, right? It's definitely needed light cones. And color of the fog would be, maybe I'll make like a slight fog. Maybe even slighter. Maybe even less. It's maybe a bit more. Yeah, like this maybe. Okay. So oh wait, I changed the color of the coin. Okay. So probably we'll do release. Add fog. Add buildings. So I do not know if I should 1 kilometer is quite far away. What is the range of visibility in the normal non-foggy day? Oh, 3 miles. Yeah, I guess 1 kilometer clip is right thing to do, I guess. Increase for clip to 1 kilometer. Add buildings. Add fog. Yeah.
Add fog, add buildings. Increase the far clip to 1 km.
I guess let's start working on the sound effects. So sound wave, I guess. Hans class sound wave. Should be how mesh is implemented. Mesh.h base asset. Okay, include base asset.hpp final public base asset. Private um okay, gonna take a break, 5 minutes break. Drink water, bathroom break, stretching. Okay, I'm back. 45 minutes session. Public sound wave. Okay, I closed it prematurely. Const stat string path class assets. I think I don't. So as soon as I created constructor, all constructors are being deleted, right? So I don't need to mark them as deleted. I need to include string. And yeah, so mesh, but label, for example. Yeah, so let's figure out the asset system. So I need to implement the loading soundwave.cpp include soundwave.hpp okay, so audio test, I think, and server. I don't think it's audio test. Music, something music, not no. Oh, it's not sorted by. Oh, okay. So that's better. Something gen or real time music. How did I call this damn thing? It's not here. This is... I did like a last year around November, October maybe. Nothing. Nothing in September. Maybe I put it in the different directory. So it's project. Maybe I put it here. Live music, okay. Live music. So mini audio. So I guess just copy it. Okay, mini audio. And oh, it's vector floats. So probably I should make vector floats as well. Have a nice day, Hawk. Sleep tight, be comfy. Hawk. Sample lim. Load audio HPP. Load audio. Good night, Jeremy. Load audio. So this is all AI generated code, but it's okay. It does work. Normalize samples. Okay, so that one should be float, and yeah, the code is relatively simple. So if if it blows up, I think it would be easy to debug. There is some idiocracy with AI I hit then I was doing async coding. That was nightmare to debug. Valgrind helped me. Load. So include load. What is it? Load something. Load audio, right? Audio.hpp. And it should be data slash plus path. And I think that's it. So we would have audio. Image node, right? I guess now I need to create. Let's see. So everything should compile. Shared const. File not found. Why you need shared const? Number of channels and sample rate. chn equals 2 and sample rate equals 44. I don't know. What sample rate should I use? Pragma once const expr auto and then mesh node, right? Or node mesh dash node, yeah, mesh dash node node 3D ref mesh. Okay, I guess free dref node 3D Let me ask Gemini how to update that templated classes. So geom pass and light pass would be implemented only if class T has what is it, classes method, respective methods.
How to update the template classes so that geom pass and light pass are implemented only if class T has the respective methods.
Yes, Finai, yeah. How to show me how to implement Finai? I never remember. Can I do concepts? Let me try it. If I can include concepts, I'll do with concepts. Otherwise, I'll do without concepts. Oh, I have concepts, so okay. What is transform? Ah. GLM mod 4. GLM mod 4. Okay. Requires has jump. Okay. Okay. Void final. Reku и res. Reku и res. God damn it, how to spell it? Reku requires has geom pass. Has geom light pass T. So why why you're not happy? I don't think it compiles, right? Maybe I should put final here. Oh, virtual function cannot have a requires clause. Um, okay. How to update the template class managers libraries are plains respective method. If method in class T is missing, base implementation is used. Base class implementation is used. Use if const expr. Okay. Yeah. I think this is the correct implementation. Super complicated to figure out. Okay. Matrix GLM mat4 GLM mat4. Okay. Has geompass. Has light pass. Okay, and here if const expr, so that one has geompass else base node free d geom pass render get trans. Member initializer asset does not name a non-static data member or base class. What? Expected at the end of the declaration list. Okay, finally it compiles. Base node 3D. Geom pass. So it's empty implementation. Oh wait, I should not. Oh. I should not pass transform. Yeah, it just like this. Should be. I guess it should be like this. Maybe I should do it like this. Return. Oh, I need else. I see. It should be like this. And we do same thing here. If const expr has geom pass t value, we do this, else base node 3D geom pass render. if const expr has a light pass, t value, else base node 3D light pass render. So I did all of this stuff. And mesh, so mesh has a light pass, right? And it's empty, so now I can delete it. And everything should compile. Okay, and point light has geom pass, and geom pass is empty, so I can delete it, and things are going to compile. And spotlight has geom pass as well. It's empty, I can delete it. Boop. And things are going to compile as well. And work, right? Something broken with lights. Node has geom pass, has light pass. Spotlight. Tickle bar. I think this is causing the issue. Light pass, has light pass. For some reason it refuses to, no lights. What I'm doing wrong? Geom pass is detecting, but light pass is not detecting. That's so weird. What the difference? Spotlight, light pass. The difference is I'm not using anything for UI right now. I mean, I have UI pass, but it's implemented. It's you know, hand implemented. Um, why you want to have Chrome embedded in your game? I mean, um, you may need it probably for, like, if you have online game and you have like OAuth mess around, and of course you do not want to re-implement browser. Even with that, I mean, on PC you probably can just open the link in the external browser and it would be fine. Or if you want to have a store in your game, like, and sell cosmetics, or have microtransactions, like implementing that in the browser, I guess that would deliver a consistent experience, because players would see same thing what they see in game and same thing what they see in the browser. I do not know what is motivation to integrate Chrome embedded. Just have you, but for UI, I think it's overkill. Why things are not working? See, and they're not triggering the rendering. One a.m. Yeah, go have a sleep. Take care. Why it's not working? Ah. So this would not compile. Oh, it will compile. Actually, it will compile. And it does work. So now I need to understand why this thing is not working. Has light pass. So is it has some bugs in it? Has light pass. With false. Const. Oh, maybe it's because of const. Light pass. No, it doesn't work. God damn it, what's going on here? It does work for a Node 3D ref, but does not work for Node 3D. It is always... maybe I forgot to put value? No. Static assert. So let's see. I'm expecting always to have it. Failed to do requirements. Spotlight void. Required here. Member function light pass required here. But spotlight. There is a light pass. So maybe it should be somewhere const dot light pass. Its value in instantiation member function on spawn light pass required here. Not 3D member function, not 3D. Studying has jump more? Has jump, wait. Has light pass. The requirement has light pass spawn. Instantiation member function. Well, the requirement has light pass spotlight. I do not understand. Main. So let me have static assert somewhere here. Has light pass. Spotlight. Fail due to requirements of spotlight. What the heck? Auto light pass class render glm mat 4 win. Why static assert is failing? I need to take a break. As non-const. Okay. So if I put const here, oh, okay, now it's not failing. Spotlight, but this one is const. Oh, because it's protected. Ah. Okay. So it should work. I need to take a break. Yeah, now it's working. Okay, taking the break. Okay. 5 minutes past. Uh, so things are working now. Spotlight, point light. So I guess I need to remove protected here. What? Coin? Okay. So how we want to do it? Uh, there is a node UI, node dash UI. Guess I want to do similar treatment for that. So node dash 3D and include that, and then take that one. Okay, so has your UI pass, UI pass, if const expr has UI UI pass a value else base node UI pass render trans. Oh, this is the bug. I'm curious. If const expr UI pass t value else base node UI pass render. And we don't have UI. Oh. Okay, label. So I think this protected and image. Sound wave. Main. Free sound. Oh, you know, I need to log into it, so let me switch to webcam. So log in. Okay, I logged in. Go back to scene. Coin. Uh, um, this sounds good, right? So let me. I think this is good. Let's download it. Okay. How to export Audacity file from CLI? So would FFmpeg be able to assets ffmpeg-i coin dot op dash o invalid data found, then processing input. Hmm. Hmm. The reason I am asking, I want to build assets pipeline for my game, and I want the data build system automatically detect changes in the sources audacity file in our case, and generate a game um, and generate data in game friendly format.
The reason I'm asking is that I want to build an assets pipeline for my game. I want the data build system to automatically detect changes in the source Audacity file in our case and generate data in a game-friendly format.
Okay. Audacity headless mode.
Audacity headlet mode.
That's so annoying. So I have to export manually. Oh man. Nothing is assets. Coin.wav. Okay. So I'm going to delete this Audacity. So delete that. Delete that. So have only coin WAV and may make file, game files, DTS from WAV files, WAV file, data WAV files. Hmm. Uh, that would do. Hmm. Oh, it did do. I guess I want dot maybe ffmpeg dash I um, um, update that make file rule to make ffmpeg create 2 channels 40 WAV files.
Update that makefile rule to make ffmpeg create 2-channel 48,000 WAV files.
Okay, looks correct. I'm going to go to data file coin WAV, so delete. Okay. So let's see. Alright, let me just auto coin sound equals assets get sound by coin dot wav. I'm wondering, so we are going to have all of them WAV, so sound wave path plus dot, so it should be like this, include sound wave.hpp, coin sound. Okay, let's go back to live music and master speakers, SDL audio. I think I can just do um, SDL audio. I think I can just play sound directly. Get Q size, Q audio, yeah. SDLQ audio. Okay, so I can just do audio is Q audio, coin coin sound. Sound wave. Dot PSM data. Coin sound dot PCM dot size times oh, just I think just Q. Crash. Audio subsystem is not initialized. Yeah, this is not what I want, unfortunately. Okie dokie. I'm wondering if I just copy paste this system with the master speaker things and all this stuff. Or it's overkill. Maybe not. Maybe this is the way how I should implement it. Have a sampler. Have a sample. Okay. I think let's call it some unsatisfying way to play sounds. Some unsatisfying way to anyways, I'll call it probably work in progress sounds.
Whip sounds.
Okay, I'm going to end the stream. Maybe I will stream today in the evening, maybe not, but I will take a break and maybe will not stream even today. We will see. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye.